Habaikiran bat kinong patai kubor, Menteri ke Sarkar Jela ubak Kyrmen Shylla, ulang bagi Jela kelamat ke Jingjah ulap ba, bat kelak pandai ke Jingjah ulap ba, halor ke Jingjah jong Dewiong ubak palat ke 1,000 metrik ton. Kumala kedau hak interim report ke balai kuwai ke balai IT Dangshan, da u justice bala syongtat UBP ke Taki, syaki yang syari Meghalaya High Court. Ulang ba ke Meghalaya ke deka wen ke Jela ke bejur selap ba, bat kumta ke AKA ru kelak banja. Bakla don ru gejing keno badai namar ka kendo banamar uslap ha Meghalaya kelami gejing shlai ha Assam bat kam tam ha East Jingjah Hills barok ko ketot lut syakri Bangladesh ulang ba dadan thani gejing tip ki bala ban pensisha lagane gejing ja kadai nama gejing don gejing le ki kambian ne kadai ke bala le dagi bor kamariang uba Kyrmen Shylla ulang ba amla ban keno tangi uslap bat amdan shisha kinu gejing tip ban ong lagadon kanu gejing le ke babian Haga bedai bagi jing keno bagla don gejing ti bagi jing kai bian yu Dewiong haga jela uba Kyrmen Shylla ulong bom don igino kino kisabut ban penti kena ya kene gejing keno namar gladon bon kitnat ki badan gejing kit kle ban tokit igini gejing keno bat ban pensisha da kisabut ulong pat baki briau lada kene ke bentaman kamai je kepo ila ban le da kanu kanu glenti ke babean lem komta amdan mano manoru ke bakwa ban le gilat ke babean Ndre unget bagi beliau jangan ke jelak kin omle ya kum kini ki kam ki babean. Namar bagi la kemen kam tamalo ke jing penmena jong menteri rang ba ke jela ha ke bedai bagi jing sedang no ke jing ti Dewiong da ke jing start science. Ha ke babaro kle kemen bagi ku aban i ke jing sedang no ke jing ti Dewiong da ke lenti jong ke science. Bat kum ta ki beliau kin omle ai. Ya ke bagi yang cari nek an kan yo ikilat ban ke dau ti persya ya ki.
When it comes to court, uh, it's not that I'm trying to justify myself or for the state. Just would like to remind us that Meghalaya is one of the highest rainfall. So being the highest rainfall, and anything could happen. If you remember where there's one allegation mentioning that because of the soil and because of the rain in Meghalaya that the flood happened in Assam. And especially from East Jingjah Hills, all those water, it goes to Bangladesh. So never know, it could be because of the rain it carried away. Being the highest rainfall, chances is very high. So still then I cannot blame just the rain. It could be or it could be not there, but I really don't have any kind of details with me to say that whether there's any illegal. But I believe since we have the authority to look after this, there should not be any kind of practice illegally when it comes to transportation or mining, whatever it is. It should be as per law. So that is what I feel. And being the highest rainfall is very difficult to say that whether it's carried by the rain or is carried by any kind of transportation. It might be against anybody, against any state, any department, but it's just that they need to have a proof whether it's a fact or not. So for this, they can try. Department is there, the trend line department and different sources is there. They can find it out and they'll get the result. But I believe that our people, if it is for survival, they might do it illegally. Otherwise, nobody wants to do any kind of illegal methods where it can hamper the state, or just for enjoyment, they will not do any kind of illegalities. But if it happens that about to die just for survival, then though I cannot say, it might be. But I believe our people, they will not do such kind of thing, illegalities. They are much happy, especially with the announcement of Chief Minister regarding this scientific mining, where all of us, we are happily welcome it, and we would love to see the light of the day with this mining, scientific mining. So I believe that our people will not play such kind of fool things where the court or the law will have a chance to point fingers on us.